everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheila, YouTuber based in the UK. Sundays are usually my favorite day to hit the reset button and prepare for a productive week. So let me take you through mine. Let's dive in.
I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So guys, I woke up and in order to get ready for the day, I decided to do my skincare, and yeah, I am going on with the vitamin C serum. Then I went in with the moisturizer. Then afterwards, I put on the lip balm, brushed my hair, and you can see I was really tired over there. So then this is my happy dance. Now, when you feel good, you're happy. So let's make breakfast. So for breakfast, I decided to go for something simple since it's already going to be a very busy day. So I went for sandwich and sausage with smoothie and fruits on the side. So here I am frying the sausage. Then afterwards, I went ahead to start making the egg sauce for the sandwich. So I went in with the tomatoes, onions, the spices, everything. You know how to make it. So I won't go into details with that. So afterwards, I went ahead to put it in a bread and toasted everything. Yeah, just a very simple sandwich, and it tasted so good. It was very good, delicious. So here was the second round of the was it the second round or third round? One of the rounds though of the sandwich. So I went ahead to butter the pan, then I placed my bread. Don't mind my placement, I was just confused at this point. Then I placed the egg, then toasted everything. At this point, our son was already very hungry, disturbing me. So I was like, I was just trying to be fast and save his while I complete ours. Yeah, that's it. So here I am about to make the smoothie. I put in 1 cup of frozen fruits, then banana, then milk. Then I went ahead to add vanilla extract and honey. Yeah, I usually don't add honey to my smoothie, to be honest. But this particular frozen fruit is made up of raspberry and one other dark fruit like that. To be honest, they are not sweets because they are meant to be for, weight loss, healthy living, blah blah blah. But just taking it on its own would make it very bland, so we had to add honey. So that's my son's breakfast ready, and I'm going to give it to him to eat. And this is hubby's breakfast ready. And yeah, please don't don't look out for my own breakfast. I ate it while I was cooking. So guys, next I went ahead to start cleaning my fridge. So this is my fridge. Look at the dirty honey spilled over in my fridge. So I went ahead to clean it, and these are the what will I call them, like plates I used in the fridge, the lazy Susan turntable. I went ahead to wash them, dried them, and now I'm placing it back into the clean fridge. And these are the egg racks. Yeah, So I went ahead to air the fridge, for it to dry before I put it on. So over here, I've put on the fridge, and this is my fridge. Looks so clean, and yeah. Afterwards, I went ahead to start packing in all the things that belong there. So I went ahead to pack the tomato bottles in the Lazy Susan turntable, then the apples, the sweet pear, grapes, egg, the food we remained from last night. I just put everything back into the fridge, and yeah, at this point the fridge was quite clean and spacious for meal prepping, because I also plan to meal prep. Of course, it won't be in this video, but I plan to meal prep, so there was now enough space to pack everything into the fridge. Moving on, I went ahead to unpack the groceries. My hobby went for grocery shopping, so I unpacked them, and here I am unpacking the fruits and placing them in the fruit basket. So we eat lots of fruits in this house, and yeah, we're blessed. Our son also has a healthy relationship with fruit, so he eats fruits very well. So here, so that explains the number of banana bunches you can see. So guys, I went ahead to unpack other fruits and onions and mangoes. Guys, let me tell you about UK mangoes. Nowadays, I don't know the kind of mangoes that they are selling in the shops at this point. Like, the mangoes are so hard, like a rock, and it will move from being hard as a rock to spoiling. Like, it doesn't just make sense. Like, how do I eat a very hard mango? Just look at this mango. How do I eat a very hard mango? Now you now want it to wait to ripen. You now want to wait for it to ripen, and next thing is just spoils. Very frustrating. Guys, at this point I was tired. So I had some rest and did some academic work, then came down to continue. So I went ahead to wash the plates. I just cleaned up the kitchen basically. So just watch and enjoy. Okay. So I went ahead to wipe down the table counter, then the fireplace, that's the kitchen top, the stove top, yeah. Then I went ahead to wipe down the dining area. I wiped the table using the what's this spray called again? Something, an antiseptic spray basically. I can't remember the name. So then I went ahead to vacuum the kitchen. Then I went ahead to vacuum the dining, then cleaned the kitchen basically. Moving on, I went to offload the machine. Apparently, as I was cleaning, I was also washing some clothes. Then next, I took out the trash. Yeah, and everywhere is clean now. Look at my cleansing. Yay! So, guys, at this point, I went ahead to put in my detergent, bleach. Then I started mopping the kitchen.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside.
So, guys, this is my kitchen, clean and all set for the week. And yeah, look at how clean it is. I did that. Yay! So, thank you for joining me on this Sunday reset. I hope this video inspires you to take some time for yourself, care for your space, and start your week feeling refreshed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye bye.
Text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby,